Hey guys, I'm going to be doing a challenge with this slime. I made this, and I won't tell you how I made this because it's a homemade recipe and it's secret. So why would I tell you? So let's get into the video. It's a challenge, and I pick one of these, only one, and we choose which one, and we have to choose one to shape. And I'll pick a picture randomly. And it's a picture that says animals. So the theme will be animals, guys, with this pink slime. So we either do a hairless dog or a hairless cat or a hairless mouse or a hairless whatever. Or a hairless turtle. I don't think turtles have hair anyways. So let's get started. Oh my god. I'm so excited for this. I got a Sphinx. Hairless cat. Whoa. I really wanted a hairless mouse, though. I have to shape the head. So, guys, I'm going to make ears. This. And that's the head on a cat body. I finished that. So, bye, guys.